it's out of sight. No time, we'll have driven far from here. Right now, you need to pack your bags, my dear. We'll climb, the view is really great up there. I know we can be a splash of paint in a world that's otherwise all gray. Take me by my arms and say it's the first to color things this way. And you are typing the words down, let them take you back spaces. We could be a splash of paint. We could be a splash of paint. Could be a splash of paint. Could be. We could be a splash. Could be a splash. We could be a splash of paint. Could be a splash of. I know we could be. I know we could be a splash of paint in a world that's otherwise all gray. Take me by my arms and say it's the first to color things this way. And you are typing the words down, let them take you back spaces. We could be a splash of paint. Coming to the end of a one-way street. Wish I could wake up, but it's not a dream. Staring at the wall right in front of me. Need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend that I do not care. I keep asking why? You're still on my mind. It's been like a year since we're together. I should feel a feeling whole lot better. I keep asking why? I have really tried. All the sleepless nights, I counted hours. Tried to move on, but I lost my powers. I keep asking why. And now I'm asking why. Tell me, do I ever cross your mind? Maybe what we had is so hard to find. Wish I could go back, turn the hands of time. Need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend that I do not care.